What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and there you can see two mini desktop speakers, and that's from onlite and that's from Zebronics. Yes, in both of them before. This thing is made out of MDF board. You can see quite big in size, and also the drivers are bigger than this one. You can see they are like almost 3 inches. Not exactly 3 inches, like 2.75 inches, something like that, the driver. And these are 1.75 inch or something like that. So there's a huge difference in the driver size, but the wattage is quite a bit same. But as this thing is made out of plastic and small casing, and this thing is made out of MDF wood and bigger size boxes, so there will be difference in bass. Of course this thing will have little more bass than this one, but we're going to check the sound clarity, the loudness and all the stuff. So I'm going to start with this one, the onlite, then gonna play the sounds on the Zebronics. So let's start with this one.
I got a bottle of Patron and some lights off. Two red devil looking eyeballs, and I'm finna turn up when the night falls. If you hear a siren, then it's my fault. Jump in my whip, baby, let's ride. We ain't gonna stop at a red light, and I'ma take shots like a Tech 9. It's gonna get live. I got a bottle of Patron and some lights off. Two red devil looking eyeballs, and I'm finna turn up when the night falls. If you hear a siren, then it's my fault. Jump in my whip, baby, let's ride. We ain't gonna stop at a red light, and I'ma take shots like a Tech 9. Cuffs on my cardiac, took my breath away like a heart attack, and I'ma spend every dime in my money back. Everybody wanna know. If you're ready, let me know. Like a heart attack, and I'ma spend every dime in my money back. Everybody wanna know. If you're ready, let me know. Let's go. You've been treating me like I have been your enemy. You are something I don't want to have. A million problems inside of my head. This is something I cannot forget. Another one. You're a needle in my. There's been something on my mind and it keeps hurting me. You've been treating me like I have been your enemy. You are something I don't want to have. A million problems inside of my head. This is something I cannot forget. Another one. You're a needle in my. How can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you would give it one more chance. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd fight? Oh,